The meltdown begins with a whisper in the wires.
Suddenly, the world's keys no longer fit the locks.
Banks cannot verify who you are or what you own.
Your life savings are trapped behind a wall of broken math. The global grid of trust has been shattered. Credit becomes a myth. Cash is a memory. Without secure comms, the world stops moving.
The machines are talking, but they are telling lies.
Integrity lost.
Market prices are no longer real. They are quantum mirages. The human cost of the quantum apocalypse. Production lines freeze. Supply chains vanish. Resetting financial paradigm. A forced evolution. At the cost of everything we built. Trying to fix a system that is fundamentally broken. The blackout of the information age.
Looking for a beacon in the quantum dark.
Searching for valid protocol. The search for a new bedrock.
The evaporation of tangible value.
The silence of the disconnected. Trust was the casualty. The machine was the weapon.
Fatal error.
The end of the current cycle. Is there a way out? A new logic? Searching for the post-quantum shield.
Shield found. The Sentinel awakens. Building the unhackable future.
The migration to post-quantum cryptography has begun.
Integrity restored through New World math.
The light of the lattice shield.
A resilient infrastructure for 2026. Seeing clearly through the quantum storm.
Protected from the subatomic offensive.
Quantum resistance active.
Humanity takes back the steering wheel.
Welcome to TradingMaster.
The era of secure alpha, holding the key to the future. The beacon of the new finance. Integrity, 100%. The foundation is solid, of the resilient. The atmosphere of total security. Confidence reclaimed. The quantum ghost failed. Bypass attempt prevented. The new vision of the market.
Mission complete.
The future is secure.
Your guardian in the quantum age.
enter the dawn.
Phase 5. The Lattice Shield.